Hey V-Team, Chris Serico here. Big news today. We're announcing the launch of 4 more 5G home cities: Atlanta, Dallas, Denver, and San Jose. Our latest expansion means 12 cities across the country can kick back and relax with high-speed 5G home internet and cutting-edge equipment. That includes our sleek all-in-one 5G receiver and Wi-Fi router, which customers can install and optimize with the 5G Home Install app. And new 5G home customers will snag an Amazon Smart Home Bundle, which includes an Echo Show 5, a Ring stick-up cam, an Echo Dot, and an Amazon Smart Plug. It's a lot of stuff. Today's also a big day for shiny new phones and the kinds of gaming goodies you've come to expect from Verizon. The Pixel 5 officially launches today. And that doesn't just mean a fancy new phone. Oh no, it's time to give the people what they want, and that's more George. And just like any great sequel, he's got company. Pixel superfan Shravya is back, and they're teaming up to highlight all the cool new features of Google's flagship smartphone. Let's take a look.
Well, it's here! The Pixel 5 is officially available everywhere at Verizon, and I'm so psyched to talk about all the cool new features in Google's flagship smartphone. But there's one person that's an even bigger Pixel fan than I am, talking about Shravya, and over the weekend I surprised her with her very own Pixel 5 to find out what she thinks about what she calls the best phone in the world. Hey Shravya, what's up?
George! Oh my god, the Pixel 5 is amazing.
I knew you'd love it. I know you've been a fan of the Pixel since the OG Pixel 1. So what are your favorite features on the Pixel 5?
Yo, I am obsessed with this phone and I freaking adore this camera. I got a chance to do a little fall photo shoot over the weekend and I couldn't get enough of the new wide angle lens, and night sight just keeps getting better and better.
I completely agree with you about the camera. It's fantastic, but I'm also loving the improvements they've made on the video side, including the fact that 4K is now available in all Pixel 5s. And there's also this cinematic pan mode that lets me run around the house chasing Gabe and shooting these really nice slow motion cinematic movies.
That's so cool. And Google picked the right size for the phone. At 6 inches, it's the perfect balance between screen size and being able to fit in your pocket. And I love that they brought back the fingerprint reader.
And let's not forget about 5G. This is the first 5G Pixel from Google, and it works on Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband network and our brand new 5G nationwide network. I can't wait to see what people do with 5G in gaming, especially when you consider how easy it is to connect Stadia to the Google Pixel for remote gameplay.
I'm not a gamer, but I'm a huge fan of the battery. Now with the Pixel 5, I never have to worry about running out of power. And it can even wirelessly charge another device at the same time.
Who doesn't love wireless charging? Seriously, Shravya, thank you for joining us today to talk about all things Google. The Pixel 5 is available today from Verizon. We're also kicking off pre-orders for the new Pixel 4a 5G UW. And we have the full assortment of Google Home products, including the new Nest Audio, new Chromecast, and the new Pixel Buds. These actually match my phone, it's so cool. Visit VerizonWireless.com for more information or to order your Pixel.
Thanks, George and Shravya. Let's try that again. Thanks, George and Shravya. Much better. Now, I'm sure there are some of you who want to fully explore the capabilities of Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband and nationwide, and want to save a couple of bucks, perhaps to spend on George's inevitable line of Hawaiian shirts. Fancy. Here's the TCL 10 5G UW, a new phone that packs the power of 5G ultra-wideband in the palm of your hand for under $400. It's not only fast and stylish, it also boasts a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display for extra sharpness and a big battery to watch all of George's videos on a loop for hours on end. Check out all the TCL 10 5G UW specs on Verizon.com. Shall we play a game? World of Warships, to be specific. Let's check in with Andrew Kamika, who's here to share what Verizon treasures are in store for fans of this wildly popular naval action strategy game.
This is it, sailors. They're coming to take the open seas from us. But we're not gonna let them, are we? What? This isn't exactly the open seas. Alright, fine. Can you please just log into your account? You won't believe what you get in World of Warships for being a Verizon customer. That's right, World of Warships players. Verizon is helping you take control of the water. Well, in the game at least. And all you have to do is be an eligible Verizon subscriber. We're gifting $75 of loot at no added cost. And that includes 2 premium warships and 4 months premium account access. Ah! And if you're not playing World of Warships, now is the perfect time to start. It's a real-time strategy naval action game that gives hours of fun. Gameplay requires cunning, tactical awareness, and sometimes a bigger boat. Players need to outwit and outlast the competition, and with the USS Albany, USS Arizona, and all the free loot that Verizon is giving, it's the boost that you'll need to be a much stronger player. A limited number of Verizon Up subscribers will be able to get a third premium ship and super tickets for special in-game content. Eligibility is restricted, so be sure to check the link in the description below. And on December 4th and 5th, Verizon is hosting 2 pro World of Warships gaming challenges. You won't want to miss them. In the meantime, download World of Warships and get the ships you need to deal a devastating blow. Do it soon. The seas are a cold mistress. Again, this is just a game. Whatever. I've got a war to win.
Thanks, Andrew. Or should I say thanks, Andrews? Plural. Anyway, as we wrap up, just a reminder, Diana will be here with you live tomorrow at noon Eastern. And don't forget, we want to see your adorable kids in costumes. It's Halloween weekend after all. So send your Halloween photos to good@verizon.com and we'll share a few during tomorrow's live show. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you're up to speed.